Hey guys, it's Mimi and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome honey. I hope you stay and become a part of this family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back babe. You are truly appreciated. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be installing a 26-inch kinky curly 13 by 4 transparent lace frontal wig from Larima Hair Company, and of course this video is sponsored by Larima Hair. Thank you so much Larima Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So I just thought I should do a little bit of unboxing for you guys, and I'm truly amazed by the pattern and the softness of these curls guys. This screams quality guys, with capital letter Q honey. This wig has 3 clips in front, 1 at the back, and of course 2 elastic belts. So what you see me doing right now, I personally don't like bleaching the knots. I use foundation and powder to match my complexion and to cover those little black knots without the risk of chemical damage. In this case, the lace will last longer and less likely to ever experience balding. You'll know on this channel, we don't bleach the knots, child. We preserve the lace. Honestly guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. Don't forget to check the description box for more information on this gorgeous curly unit from Larima Hair.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. Mixed emotions, the first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you.
So I usually say they don't call me curly memes for nothing, because guys, this is my favorite part, defining the curls. So this little mixture that you're seeing right now is just water and hair conditioner. I mixed it with a little bit of oil, like hair oil. Then I'm just gonna use mousse, and that's it, guys. Super easy. Look how gorgeous those curls are. Look at that. Look at that. And I literally just use my fingers to define the curls. That's how easy it is. The curls are so soft. The curls are bouncy. I love it, guys. Like, really, they look gorgeous.
Putting you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Oh, that love shabba. Oh, that love honey. Oh, that love baby. Oh, that shabba, give me love, love. Oh, that love shabba. Oh, that love honey. Oh, that love baby. Oh, that shabba, give me love, love. Oh, that love shabba. Oh, that love honey. Yeah. Oh, that love baby. Oh, that shabba, give me love, love. Oh, that love shabba. Oh, that love honey. Oh, that love baby. Oh, that shabba, give me love, love.
And that's it for today's video, guys. If you love this wig as much as I do, please do check the description box down below for more information, and of course direct links to purchase this gorgeous 26-inch kinky curly 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig from Larima Hair Company, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Mwah. Until next time, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye bye.
To anyone, you don't need to worry.